Hello everyone, today is a very special day for me because our channel has reached 3000 subscribers. Yay! From the bottom of my heart, I'd like to thank you all for your support and for being with us in this channel. When I started this journey, my vision was very simple: to create a place where healthcare professionals, the doctors, nurses, medical students, paramedics, and anyone who are passionate about emergency medicine, urgent care, critical care, and point-of-care ultrasound could learn together. I never imagined that thousands of people from across the world would become a part of this incredible community. Thank you very much for being with us. Every subscription, every comment, every like, and every time you share one of my videos tells me that the content is making a difference to you and your patients. This inspires me to keep learning, keep teaching, and keep creating. This is not just about my channel anymore. This is our community. A community which is built on curiosity, education, and shared commitment to improving the patient care. And I want to make you a promise. This is only the beginning. In the coming months, I will be bringing to you even more practical point-of-care ultrasound tutorials, echo tutorials, emergency medicine pearls, ECG interpretation, tips and tricks, resuscitation updates, expert interviews, podcasts, and the real-world clinical cases that you can apply to your everyday practice. In addition, I will also share with you some tips and tricks for exams which may be useful for the trainees who are preparing for their membership or fellowship exams. If you found value to these videos, I have one small request to make. Please continue to support the channel. Subscribe if you have not done already. Click the notification bells so you never miss a new video. Give the video a thumbs up. Leave the questions or suggestions in the comment section below. This matters to me. And also share these videos with your friends, colleagues, and trainees. Every share that you make helps us reach another healthcare professional who may benefit from the knowledge. I would also love to hear from you. Tell me which country you are from. Tell me which topics you would like to see next. This channel is growing because of you, because of your active contributions and your suggestions and the comments and the participation and collaboration. I want to create the contents that helps you become more confident, more effective in your clinical practice. Thank you once again for helping us reach these wonderful milestones of 3000 subscribers. Now let's aim even higher. Together, let's build a global community of clinicians and the emergency medicine, about emergency medicine, point-of-care ultrasound, ECG, blood gas, and lifelong learning. Thank you for believing in the mission. Thank you for being part of this global community. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, keep learning, keep teaching, and keep making a difference to each patient, one patient at a time. I'll see you soon. Bye for now.